If you are looking for how to open your HEIC files on your Windows 11, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can open HEIC files on Windows 11 quickly and easily. To get started, there are two things you need to install. First, HEIF image extension and the HEVC video extension from the device manufacturer. You can find this HEIF image extension in the Microsoft Store. Simply search for the HEIF image extension, click on the Get button, and it will install automatically. But here we already have it, so it's saying open. However, the HEVC video extension isn't available in the Microsoft Store. To get it, open any browser, go to Google, and search for download HEVC video extension. And you can download it easily from any of this website and install it. After the installation, head to location where your HEIC file is, and for example, we have an HEIC file named wallpaper on the desktop. If you right click the file and go to properties, you'll see it is recognized as HEIC file. To view the thumbnail, refresh and double click the file. Now it will open correctly, showing that the HEIC file is being read without any issues. And that's it. And that's how you can easily open and view HEIC files on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.